Hey folks, different style of video here today. I just bought a GoPro from Costco. It's on sale for $300. This is the Hero 13 Black, by the way. Just gonna go ahead and do an unboxing video. It comes with a 128 gig micro SD from SanDisk, 2 batteries. Now the reason why I bought this is because I want to take YouTube more seriously now. And with my 4-wheel drive and motorcycle content, I figured GoPro's probably a worthy investment for that. Costco products will come with a little bit more packaging than other retail stores. Yeah, so there you go, that's the retail box. GoPro Hero 13 Black. See, we've got what looks like, I guess the external case that they put on those. I don't know if they still do that. Or at least it comes with some sort of mount for your GoPro mounts. And I think it does come, yeah, it looks like one of those double-sided adhesive mounts. 128 gig micro SD, looks like that's UHS 2, UHS 3. I think it's UHS 3. Carrying case, looks like a USB-C to C cable, and 2 batteries. Let's crack this open. There's a pull tab at the bottom here. Ooh. Go ahead and pull that. We can slide this out. There's nothing left in the box. Guess everything's in the carrying case. We'll unzip it, and there you go. So you got some literature here. It says your camera must be updated before you can use it. It's QR code. I guess someone's mounting it to like a ski snowboard helmet. That's our micro SD. As you can see, it is UHS 3, 128 gigs, so that's a nice fast micro SD. Kind of perfect for this type of application. Subscribe to get the most out of your GoPro. Unlimited cloud backup of all your footage. Probably don't need that. Stickers. So Apple doesn't include Apple stickers anymore, but GoPro still includes stickers with their products. So you got 4 different colors. It's pretty nifty. Gives you some tips for cold weather performance. So it says charge your battery before you use it. Keep the battery warm, storing it close to your body when you're not using it. And in temperatures below 14 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 10 degrees Celsius. It says recording frequent video clips can warm the camera and battery to extend performance. Interesting. And it looks like you have an actual user manual, or is this just regulatory information? Now to the actual GoPro itself. Looks like the mount that comes with it. 2 batteries, and that's the 3M mount. So I guess for me, I'll probably put this on my motorcycle helmet, and I'll have other mounts for the cars. Again, more mounting hardware. If we open this compartment here, it looks like, again, we have a USB-C to C cable. Don't know if it's wired for USB 3.0 and above. I have a feeling it's just USB 2. We can figure that out. Nothing there, nothing left there, and it's just the GoPro. Get all this stuff out of the way. That's our GoPro. Again, you must update the camera before you use it. Got it. Let's take some of this paper off. Very familiar GoPro shape. So let's go ahead and go around and see what sort of buttons and ports we have on this. So it looks like we have a power button, and it also says mode. I guess I'll figure out what that does. I don't know if this does anything. Does this open? That doesn't seem to do anything. Looks like we have a record button, some sort of shutter button there. Microphone, tripod mounting, and other GoPro mounting. So it looks like you can do some proprietary mounts there, or just use the standard tripod threading. And on the side here, we have the battery door. So you just pull this latch. It's pretty stiff. It opens up, and there's your USB-C port along with your micro SD card slot. So let's go ahead and install a battery. So we got 1 battery here, slide it out of the paper. It's GoPro branded. Let's see if we can see what the capacity of this battery is. Looks like it's a 1900 milliamp hour battery. So we'll go ahead and install the battery, just slide it in, and let's get our micro SD card. Now, one thing that they don't include on these, which I feel like in a lot of the retail ones they do, is a micro SD card adapter. So I have one lying around from another micro SD that I bought a while ago. If you have like a MacBook Pro or something and you have a SD card slot, you'd probably need this if you don't want to use the USB cable to transfer data. All right, so we got this open now. We've got our micro SD, 128 gigabytes, UHS 3, Go ahead and install that. Looks like it goes this way. Press it in with a fingernail. Perfect. So let's turn it on for the first time. I'm gonna press the power button here. Got some annoying beeps and it's on. So let's go through the setup here. I hit English, agree to their legal stuff. GPS enables awesome features for your videos, including optional data overlays. I'm gonna opt out of that for now. Voice control, no. Scan to finish setting up your GoPro. So it took about 5 minutes to set it up. I'm gonna turn on the GoPro now. The beeps are really annoying and loud. But anyways, it looks like 128 gigs will get you about 5 hours, 22 minutes of video. I don't know what resolution that's at, and looks like the battery needs to be charged out of the box. So I'll stop this video here. I'm gonna start using this camera on my future videos, and hopefully it proves to be a worthy investment and the quality of videos will be better for you guys. All right, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.